How to create your own WhatsApp emoji on Android or iOS. In this video, I will show you how can you easily use and create your own sticker on WhatsApp. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, open WhatsApp application and click on any chat where you want to set your own customized sticker. Then choose the option of sticker, and as you can see the pen icon which says create. Choose any one of the picture and that picture will be created as sticker on WhatsApp. As you can see, it's loading. So we have two options, as the WhatsApp cuts the single picture into its own shape and uses that sticker, or you can use the whole picture as it is. And that's all. As you can see, the picture has been sent to our chat as a sticker. So that's all. That is how easily you can customize and create your own sticker on WhatsApp. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.